Hello everybody, I welcome all of you to my English class. Today we will learn poem that is Nine Gold Medals by David Roth. The poet David Roth was born 10th October 1954 in Bloomington, city of USA. He was an artist, musician, songwriter, actor, author, radio personality, and American rock vocalist. Vocalist means singer. He is best known for his wild, energetic stage persona and lead singer of hard rock. The present poem is based on an inspiring event of race in which 9 differently abled athletes took part in a special Olympic event. In the race, when one runner fell to the ground, all others stopped and returned to help him stand on his feet, and they walked hand in hand to finish the race. All of them won and were awarded gold medals for their empathy for each other. The poem is highly educative in terms of value education in this competitive world. The poet highlights humanity, which is high above the personal achievements. It conveys a great message to the humanity that the world now needs no more competition but more love, affection, fellow feelings, cooperation, and collaboration. Let's understand the poem. The athletes are come from all over the country to run for the gold, for the silver, and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to these games. The athletes have come from all over the country. Athletes meaning a participant in sports activities. Participant in sports activities. Several athletes have come from all over the country. Purpose is to participate in the sports to achieve first prize, second prize, and third prize. Gold, silver, and bronze. Gold, silver, and bronze. Many weeks and many months of training. They make the practice. Many weeks passed, many months passed for the training. After training, they came to participate in the games. All athletes are coming down to these games. Spectators gathered around old field. Spectator means person watching an event. Person watching an event. So far the sports is concerned, the spectators will come. Spectators gathered. Gather means assembled. The spectators gathered or spectators assembled around the old field. To cheer on all the young women and men, to make joyful the athletes, those who have come to play. The young women means the athletes. The spectator will make them cheer or they will cheer the sportsman. The final event of the day was approaching. Final event means last game. Last. Approaching means come nearer. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high to begin. Excitement means being excited. All the audience or visitors or spectators and the sportsman, they all are excited and excitement grew high to begin. That means both sports person and spectators are in highly excitement. Blocks were all lined up for those who would use them. Blocks means where the runner will stand to start the race. Blocks. The blocks were all lined up. All the runners are lined up and standing in their blocks for those who would use them. That means the runners on their own line, they are standing in the blocks. 100-yard dash, the race to be run. 100-yard race. 100-yard dash means sudden quick run. Dash means sudden quick run. Race to be run. So these were 9 reserved athletes in back for the starting line. The 9 athletes, they are strongly determined and they are standing at the starting point at the back of the starting line. They are fully determined to participate in the game and waiting to start the race, and paused for the sound of the gun. Poised means ready. Poised means ready. Poised for the sound of the gun. In our school sports, we have listening the clapping sound, starter. On your mark, start, go. But in national and international event, a gun is there, a pistol is there, the sound will come, and listening that the runner will start their race. All the 9 athletes are ready to start the race. They are waiting for the signal. The signal was given, the pistol exploded. The signal was given by pistol. Exploded means sounded. Signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runners all charging ahead. That means the runners, all the runners are charging, excited to go ahead. But the smallest among them, among the 9 runners, the smallest runner was there. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered. Stumbled means hit his feet against something. Hit his feet against something. And staggered means he lost his balance. So when after listening the pistol sound, the runners started, and the smallest one hit his feet against something and lost his balance and fell down and fell to the asphalt instead. Asphalt means a mixture of dark bituminous pitch with gravel. जोटा आम कहू पिचु रास्तार पिचु तैयारी हो, ए मिक्सचर ऑफ डार्क बिटुमिनस pitch with gravel. He gave out a cry in frustration and anguish. The smallest sportsman, the smallest runner started crying because he fell down on his own track. Being hopelessness and in severe pain, he started crying. His dreams and his efforts all dashed in the dirt. His dreams, what was he dreaming, and his efforts, his attempt all dashed. That means put an end. Dashed means put an end. Frustration means hopelessness. Anguish means in severe pain. In severe pain, being hopelessness, he started crying. His dreams and efforts is going to be put an end. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, definitely standing there, he is describing what is happening at present and what will happen the next. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels. Total runners number was 9. The smallest one fell down on his track. The rest 8 runners pulled up on their heels. That means when the smallest runner fell down on the track, all the 8 runners pulled up on their heels. Heels means here the leg. That means they stood up. They stood up on their own track. The ones who had trained for so long to compete, for this competition, they are making practice for so long time. They are waiting for the competition. One by one, they turn around and went back to help him. When all the 8 runners, one by one, they came back, went back, and turned around the smallest runner and helped him to stand on his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hands and continued. Then all the 9 runners, including the smallest one, they joined the hands together and with a joint effort they started walking towards the ending point. They continued and they walked towards the ending point, joining the hands together. The 100-yard dash, the 100-yard quick run, the 100-yard dash now reduced to a walk. Now reduced means minimize, make less, reduced to a walk, and the banner above that has mentioned that is Special Olympic. A banner has been written that is Special Olympics and could not have been no more mark. That it has written Special Olympics. All the 9 runners joined the hands together and started walking toward the ending point. All the 9 runners putting hands together, they started walking towards the ending point. Here the question comes, that's how the race ended. The race ended with 9 gold medals. That means all the 9 runners, they reached at the end point holding their hands together. They came to finish line holding hand still. At the ending point, they are joining their hands together and a standing ovation and 9 beaming faces. All the 9 runners, the face was very bright. A standing ovation. Ovation means a popular appreciation. A popular appreciation for their masterpiece of work. A popular appreciation for their masterly performance. They came to finish line holding the hand still, and a standing ovation and 9 beaming faces said more than these words ever will. That means what things happen that cannot be expressed through the words. Thank you all of you. Thanks.